Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn few asanas, pranayamas and mudras for hypertension. Before that, let us look into what hypertension really is. Hypertension, which is also called as high blood pressure, is a common condition in which the force of the blood on the walls of your arteries is often too high. Generally, the normal value of blood pressure is 120 by 80 mmHg. Whereas in high blood pressure stage 1, it is 130 by 80 to 139 by 89 mmHg. And in high blood pressure stage 2, it is 140 by 90 mmHg or even high. It is really important to know that having hypertension improves the risk of having heart attack, stroke, kidney failure, blindness and other complications. In fact, 90% of hypertension is caused by poor diet, lack of exercise, hormonal changes and other bad habits like alcohol and smoking. Lifestyle changes that can help people suffering from hypertension are consumption of proper diet like DASH diet, where there is low sodium consumption, increase their physical activity, include yoga, meditation in their daily activities. Normally, 30 million people are defined as having high blood pressure, but only about 4 million out of them actually need pharmacological management. The remaining can control their blood pressure through lifestyle changes. One of them is yoga. Now let us see few techniques which help us maintain our blood pressure. Let's start.
Hari Om. Slowly raise your hands and come to Namaskara Mudra. Gently close your eyes. Yogena chittasya padena vacha manam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi. Gently open your eyes. Release your hands and place it on your thighs. Now we'll practice Setubandhasana. Lie flat on your back with the legs and feet together in a straight line. Bend both the knees and place feet flat on the ground. Hip width apart. Now try catching your heels with hand. Press the feet into the floor. Inhale and lift the hips, spine and chest off the ground. Continue to breathe normally. Exhale and slowly bring down hips, spine, chest and back to the floor. Contraindications. People with recent or chronic injury to the knee, shoulder or back avoid these asanas. Indications. Help in calming the brain and helps relieving the stress and mild depression. Improves the digestion and helps in anxiety. Now we'll practice Pavanamuktasana. Bring your feet together and arms placed by the side of your body. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, bring your knees towards your chest and press your thighs on your abdomen. Clasp your hands around your legs as if you are hugging your knees. Now lift your head and try touching your knees. Breathe normally while you hold the pose. Exhale and release your hands and legs and come to the Savasana. It should be avoided for people with recent surgeries, piles, pregnant women, menses. Indications for this asana is massage internal organ, removes the harmful gases, weight loss and increases the blood circulation. Now we'll practice Savasana. Now relax by placing your hands and legs apart. Palms should be facing upwards. Close your eyes. Now relax your whole body, including your face muscles. Let breathing occur naturally. Now stretch your arms over your head and turn towards one side. With the support of other hand, come to the sitting position. Now we'll practice Vajrasana. Now spread your legs in front of you. Slowly bring your right leg and place it under your right buttock. Now place your left leg under your left buttock. Sit comfortably. Knees close together. Bring the big toe together and separate the heels. Lower the buttocks onto the inside surface of the feet with the heels touching the side of the hips. Place the hands on the knees and palms down. Close the eyes, relax the arms and the whole body. Breathe normally and fix the attention on the flow of air passing in and out the nostrils. Benefits of Vajrasana. Vajrasana alters the flow of blood and nervous impulse in the pelvic region and strengthens the pelvic muscles and also improves the digestive health. Now we'll practice Shashankasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Place the palms on the thighs just above the knees. Close the eyes and relax. Keep the spine, head straight. While inhaling, raise the arms above the head. Keep them straight and shoulders width apart. Exhale while bending the trunk forward from the hips. Keep the arms and head straight in a line with the trunk. At the end of the movement, the head and the forehead should rest on the floor in front of the knees. If possible, the arms and forehead should touch the floor at the same time. Bend the arms slightly so that they are fully relaxed and let the elbows rest on the ground. Maintain. Release and relax slowly. Benefits. These asana stretches and strengthens the back muscles and separate the individual vertebra from each other and releases the pressure on the disc. It also regulates the function of adrenal gland. Sit in any meditative posture or Vajrasana to practice Shitali Pranayama. Close the eyes and relax the whole body. Extend the tongue outside the mouth as far as possible without strain. Roll the sides of the tongue up so it forms a tube. Practice a long, smooth and controlled inhalation through the rolled tongue. At the end of the inhalation, draw the tongue in, close the mouth and exhale through the nose. The breathing should produce a sucking sound. A feeling of coldness will be experienced on the tongue and roof of the mouth. Now sit in any comfortable meditative posture. While inhaling and exhaling, place the tip of your index finger at the bottom of your thumb. Now join the tip of your middle finger along with the ring finger with the tip of thumb to form the mudra. It is referred as heart mudra. This mudra not only help in hypertension but also treats breathing difficulties. Slowly release. Now we'll practice Vyana mudra. Join the tip of the middle finger and index finger to the tip of the thumb finger. Other fingers are stretched. Best possible hand gesture to manage and treat hypertension by increasing Vata humor and increases the nerve force and vitality. Adopt Namaskara mudra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukinaha Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।